Hello sir, welcome to Mom's Bakery. How can I help you, sir?
Hi, I want to buy pastries. Please tell me which are the special one in your bakery.
Today we have chocolate praffle pastries in our special menu. Please try them as these pastries are very delicious in taste. Okay, please pack 6 pastries and some cookies for me. Thanks for coming at Mom's Bakery. Thanks for this delivery. I like your service. Hello Mom's Bakery. Yes sir, how may I help you? I like your pastries and cookies. They were very tasty and fresh. The taste was way more awesome. Packaging was good. In fact, you gave me discount on cookies. That is also nice, so thank you for this stuff. As you can see, the customer was so happy. Every pastry you pick is handmade and eggless. Taste the authenticity and perfection. Visit us for healthy and fresh food. For any query, talk to us on our social handles, or you can direct call us on given number.